my golden flowers. It's your girl Goldilocks. It's your girl Goldilocks. And I am back with another video. So today, y'all, since we are quarantining, hey, I'ma cook a little meal today. Hibachi style. That's right. I said it, hibachi style, y'all. I'ma call this little tidbit quarantine cooking. Alright? Alright. If you ready for that, stay tuned because this is the shit they should have told you, boo.
Flights, more champagne, different places, still the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.
Okay, so I'm gonna get right into this video real quick. What you guys are gonna need for this video, come with me. Come with me. 2 pounds of fresh shrimp. If it don't come in this wrapper like this, it ain't fresh. Some sweet corn. Make sure it's sweet. I always like the green giant kind because it is sweet. Plain white rice. If you got a wok, that would actually do the trick for this, but right now I don't have no wok, so this skillet will do. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Once you have all of your shrimp deveined and already cleaned, deshelled, all of that good stuff, what you're gonna do now is the sauteing part. Slap your mama. This is that Creole Cajun seasoning. I put this on everything almost. Get you some garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning. Of course you need your soy sauce. I like this brand in particular. You can use any kind of soy sauce. Get your sesame oil, okay? Now this sesame oil is basically what gives it that kind of hibachi type of taste. I'm gonna go and wash everything in here so I can reuse this. Now we're moving on to the segment of the rice. So what I do is I already cook and boil the rice. I did this probably about maybe 3 hours ahead of time. Now that I'm cooking, what I did was put it in the refrigerator and let it get hard. You want it to be completely cold. You know, that way it doesn't get mushy once you actually fry the rice. We're gonna drop some of our sesame oil into the skillet. You are more than welcome to saute your shrimp with fresh squeezed lemon. You give it a little bit of lemon rain on it. However, I'm allergic to freshly squeezed lemon, so I can't do that with my batch. So with your sesame oil, we put a little bit in the pan just to coat the pan a little bit. Now we're gonna actually drizzle it onto the rice. So just to give it a good circle motion, like. You don't want so much that your daggone rice is extra oily, okay? You just want it enough to make sure you give you that taste. We're gonna go with the soy sauce. Drizzle all around. Take your corn and go ahead and dump that on in there. Just make sure you drain the water out of the corn. You can add some onions. I like mine very basic. But as you can see, you go ahead and keep on mixing from the bottom. You take from the bottom and pull up. You know why the rice is cooking? added more soy sauce to it, just to give it that kind of fried rice type of taste some more, like a stronger type of fried rice taste. All right, so just a little pepper and a little bit of salt. You wanted to come in and make a cameo, interrupt me while I'm cooking?
No.
What? Now we are at the last and final segment of this video. Yum Yum sauce. Now that is the famous white sauce. Get at any kind of hibachi type of restaurant. Let's do a little drizzle. And there you have it. Doesn't look so yummy. Nothing left to do but eat up. Alright, my golden flowers, if you guys like this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video or whatnot, if you want me to do more cooking segments as well, because I do love to cook. I also love to eat, so but anyways, you guys could have been subscribed to anybody else in the world, but you subscribed to your girl, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, you guys, stay tuned to a next video. Stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned to the next video. Hey!
Flights, more champagne. Different places, still the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.